Hi dear students, welcome back to Sachin Biology classes, and today we are going to discuss about a female reproductive system and what actually the female reproductive system it is consisting. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? A pair of ovaries, pair of oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina, external genitalia, and along with a pair of mammary glands that are integrated and they performs structurally and functionally they support ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, parturition and childcare. And in this system, the ovaries are considered as a primary sex organs. Because why we consider them as a primary sex organs mean they are responsible to induce a female gamete called egg or ovum, and also they secrete ovarian hormones which are essential to maintain the secondary sexual characteristics in female and along with to maintain the pregnancy. And here the ovaries, they are located one on each side of the lower abdominal region. And in general, the ovaries measures 2 to 4 centimeter in length, where the ovaries are covered by a thin epithelium tissue and it encloses a ovarian stroma anta karitevi. Stroma is nothing but a fibrous connective tissue, and it is consisting of a blood vessels, reticular and spindle fibers, and where the stroma is dividing into peripheral cortex and inner medulla. The oviducts and uterus and vagina collectively we are calling as a accessory ducts anta karitevi, and where the each fallopian tube which is measures up to a 10 to 12 centimeter in length, and the extends from periphery of ovary to the uterus. And you can see the part which lies very close to the ovary and which is a funnel shaped, that is called an infundibulum, and which shows the finger like projections at the tip, they are called fimbriae. And function of the fimbriae is that receives the ovum during ovulation. And you can see that infundibulum leads to the wider part called an ampulla, and the continuation which forms a narrow lumen, it is called an isthmus anta karitevi. And then we are going to discuss in detail about the uterus, and the uterus, and it is also called as womb anta karitevi. And the shape of the uterus, it appears like a inverted pear shape anta karitevi. ಬದಾಮಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ, ಬದಾಮಿನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಶೇಪ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And uterus is strongly supported by ligaments of the pelvic walls, and like that the ovary is also strongly supported by ligament that is called an meso-ovarian cavity anta karitevi. A meso-ovarian cavity uterus ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ligament tissue ಇಂದ supported ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ovary. And the uterus which opens into vagina through by cervix and the narrow lumen of the canal that you are seeing, that is nothing but a cervical canal anta karitevi. And later part you can see that approximately the 7 centimeter in length, that is halotubular structure called an vagina anta karitevi. And these vagina which are associated with a Bartholin glands which secrete a mucus helps in lubrication. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಲ್ಬೋಯಿರಥ್ರಲ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಷನ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವೆಸೈನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬಾರ್ತೊಲಿನ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. And where the uterus which shows the 3 layers that are called endometrium, myometrium and perimetrium. So what is the endometrium? Endometrium is the innermost glandular vascular tissue, and it undergoes cyclical changes or periodical changes during the menstrual cycle, and it also strongly support implantation and formation of placenta. And here you can see that a middle thick layer which is made up of smooth muscle, it is called a myometrium, and last one is called outermost layer, it is called a perimetrium ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು, ನೇಮ್ ದ ಲೇಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿಗರಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಚುರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ delivery of a baby. I am stopping this session today, and we can continue with the new concept in next session. Until that, take care. If you like this video, please click the like button and share to your friends and subscribe my channel. And always you please keep remember that study for knowledge, not for marks. Take care. Bye.